Okay, I'm gonna be taking a piss, so I'm trying to take a piss when these guys are working in the next apartment over me, and I can hear them. Listen. You can probably hear me taking a piss. Yep. That close.
Oh, yeah.
There you go.
Oh, no.
You can hear every little fucking burp and fart over there.